Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Ann. What's up? I hope you are having an awesome morning. Hope you jumped out of bed, took a deep breath, maybe did your breathing exercise, a little meditation before you got up, went down, had an awesome cup of coffee, and now you're ready to fill yourself up with a little bit of positive talk from Ann, your friend Ann. I have a book recommend today. I ordered a whole bunch of books recently. Some of them were not so good, but I wanted to read some different personal development books that were simple because I'm in the process of writing a personal development book and I want it to be simple. I want it to be for people who maybe have never read anything like that before, but they want to improve their life. And they don't want, something crazy that they can't understand. Because I know I've read a few books that are a little out of my league, that I'm just like, whoa, you got to be ready for certain things. Like there's this one that I think you got to be really ready for, and you got to be deep into it to read this one. It's called The Power of Awareness. I have to read like a sentence from this, and I have to think about it for a week. It's by Neville. It's just got one name, Neville. So Power of Awareness. If you're an advanced student of personal development, then that's one for you. But here's a nice little one. It's called A Year of Positive Thinking. I just got it from Amazon. I really like it. It says Daily Inspiration, Wisdom, and Courage by Cindy Spiegel. And I think Cindy got it right. I like her ideas. And the one that I landed on today says, surround yourself with people who speak truth to your I gotta start over. Surround yourself with people who speak truth to your bullshit. I love it when there's a little colorful language in there. And so I thought I'd read this to you. You need people in your life who are kind, accepting, and loving, but it is equally important to have people who speak truth to your bullshit. I know I always have people in my life like that. And sometimes it's hard, but I really like it. I do. In the long run, I like people who challenge me. As Professor Brene Brown often says, our friends are our compasses. We love Brene Brown. She's awesome. They show us the way and redirect us whether we've settled too low or our pride is leading us away from our center. That's pretty good stuff, right? Your friends are your compasses. So surround yourself with people who get you and lift you up and make you feel good, but also that notice when you're doing the wrong thing or you're being an ass and say, hey, you're being kind of an ass, cut it out. Or, they allow you to be an ass for a little while. And then, when you get back on track, they're like, you were tough. Like yesterday, I had the worst day and I knew I was having it. And I kept trying to turn it around. And finally, I white flagged it because I was like, this is just one of those days. And that was okay. But it ended I fell really hard last night and wound up laying on my floor for a few minutes because I had some dishes in my hand and I fell on my knee and I just laid there and I was like, okay, God, I'm just going to stop. The day didn't start well. There was all these challenges. There was a few good moments, but still, sometimes those days are just, challenging. And I was a little bit, salty with people. And I just am so grateful that I have friends who can tolerate my crap and then also will tell me when it's, when I'm off the track. I think that's a sign that they love you. And I think any of you out there who are my friends and who, push me back onto the railroad track when I'm going off the rails. So be that kind of friend and do it lovingly with your friends, but be willing to accept that from the people around you too, because you ain't perfect. Nobody's perfect. And you learn from your mistakes. And it's good when people are able to converse about that. I think that's important, don't you? So go take on the day-to-day. Make sure that you surround yourself with people who get you, but also that call you out on your BS. There's nothing wrong with that. Love those people because they are meant to be there for you. So thank you for joining me on the Morning Shift with Ann. Please make a comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Hopefully it's right there. And share with your friends. I could use some new subscribers. I really could. I'm not giving up on this. I feel like this is part of my calling. It fits in with my brand, which is personal development and also arts education. I think they go hand in hand. And, I'm working on some books for that and also wanted to include, my video version of me. So take care. Have a great day. I'll see you next time on The Morning Shift.